Have you ever closed your eyes and imagined a piece of pure peace? A place where worries melt away like a mist on a mountain top, and the only sound is the gentle melody of nature. Well, today we are going to paint that very scene. We will embark on a journey to create a landscape that will transport you to a hidden paradise. But this isn't just any painting, it's a story waiting to be told. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. So let's get started. Legend says that mountains hold ancient secrets whispered on the wind for centuries. We will begin by painting these majestic peaks using light blue that shimmers like first rays of dawn kissing the snow. As we move closer, the mountains will become bolder, their colors deepening like mysteries waiting to be unveiled. Now, let's breathe life into the land at the foot of mountains. Here a vibrant forest awakens, its trees swaying in a graceful dance with breeze. We will use a symphony of greens to capture the luscious of leaves and strong browns for sturdy trunks. Imagine some trees reaching tall and proud, like wise storytellers of the forest, while others huddle together, whispering secrets in the dappled sunlight. Perhaps a hidden path winds through the trees, leading to adventure waiting to be discovered. No story is complete without a soundtrack. Today we have a choice. Will we paint a river or a pond, reflecting the secrets whispered by the wind? Let's paint a charming little hut, a place to rest and listen to the music of nature. Use warm browns for the walls and roof, and perhaps a touch of grey for windows and simple doors. Remember, for the river, use lighter blue with white highlights to show the movement of the water. For the pond, use deeper blue with minimal white, creating sense of calm reflection. Don't forget to paint the mountains and trees mirrored in the water, adding touch of magic. Imagine the stories they hold, tales of brave travelers and hidden wonders. There's no need for grand details. The beauty lies in the simplicity, a promise of peace and against the backdrop of nature's symphony. Remember, art is a journey, not a destination. It's about letting your imagination paint stories that resonate with your soul. Now, take a moment to lose yourself in this world we have created. Imagine the cool breeze hustling through trees, the gentle flow of the water, and whispers of secrets carried on the wind. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So grab your brushes and paint your own hidden melody. And there you have it, our masterpiece. We have painted a landscape that whispers stories of adventure, serenity, and the hidden melodies of nature.